Good morning, students. Welcome back to the social class. Students, in our today's class, we are starting new lesson of geography, lesson number 3rd, motions of the earth, or we can say that rotation and revolution, which are two important motions of the earth. So, let's start. The first topic is rotation. What is rotation? Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. Now, what is axis? We have discussed in the previous chapter that axis is an imaginary line on which earth rotates. The another definition of rotation is the spinning movement of the earth on its axis from west to east, which causes day and night, is called rotation. Basically, rotation is the spinning movement of the earth around its axis in the direction from west to east, and it causes day and night. From this given diagram, it is clear to you that how actually earth rotates. Okay, let's move to further topic, revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution, or the another definition is the journey of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. From this given diagram or from this given animation, you must have clear that how the earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path, in a fixed orbit, and this white colored circle is path or orbit of the earth on which it revolves. The ancient Indian astronomer Aryabhatta had stated that the earth is round and it rotates on its own axis. Students, Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer, a very good intellectual and intelligent person who has idea about the earth round position and about that how the earth rotates on its own axis. In the ancient time also, people has the idea about the earth, that earth is round and it rotates on its own axis. Okay, students, revolution and rotations are two different terms with different meanings, so make it clear. From this diagram it is clear to you. Okay, next topic is earth's axis. The axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line. We have discussed already that axis of the earth is an imaginary line. Now, this imaginary line is made at 23.5 degree. It is tilted at 23.5 degree, and with this tilted position it makes an orbital plane with an angle of 66.5 degree. This tilted position of this tilted axis of 23.5 degree, it makes an orbital plane with 66.5 degree, and this white color line in the middle of the earth's surface in this figure is orbital plane, and this red color line is the axis of rotation. This is the imaginary line on, or we can say axis, imaginary line or axis, and on this orbital plane 66.5 degree angle is made, and this white colored line in the middle is termed as the orbital plane. Okay, now this axis, it is inclined from the vertical at an angle of 23.5, and it make an angle of 66.5 degree to the plane of the earth's orbit. Okay, the level path on which the earth revolves around the sun. It is clear to you from this diagram. Okay, so let's move further. Our next topic is how day and night causes. It is causes due to the rotation, due to the spinning movement of the earth. Okay, the earth receives light from the sun. We all know that earth gets light from the sun, and we all know that we all discussed in the previous chapter that the shape of the earth is spherical, and due to this spherical shape of the earth, only half part of the earth gets light from the sun at one time. In this picture you are seeing that the portion facing the sun experiences day, while the other half away from sun experiences night. In this way day and night occurs, means the side which is facing sun has day and the side which is facing night is dark. Now let's move further. The next topic is circle of illumination. The circle that divides the day from night on the globe is called the circle of illumination, or we can say that the circle that separates day and night is called circle of illumination. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis, and the period of rotation is known as the earth day. And this is the daily motion of the earth, means the daily activity of the earth to rotate on its axis, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. Students, here the black portion shows the night and the yellow portion shows the day, means the middle circle which separates night from day is called the circle of illumination. Okay, the very important fact is that the earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation, and this period of rotation is known as the earth day, and this is the daily motion of the earth, or we can say that the daily activity of the earth. Thank you students. Have a nice day ahead. We will discuss our next topic in our next class. Thank you.